You ever wonder how some people sleep 5 or 6 hours and wake up full of energy, while you sleep 8 and still feel exhausted? It feels unfair, right? Well, today we're cracking the science of sleep efficiency, how to get maximum recovery in minimum hours. We're diving into psychology, real-world hacks, and habits backed by science that actually make your rest work for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sleep smarter, recover faster, and wake up unstoppable, without feeling groggy, drained, or reaching for endless coffee. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or someone who just wants more energy for life, these tips will change the way you think about sleep forever. Stick around, because once you understand this, those long, restless nights might finally become a thing of the past. The first thing you need to know is that your brain doesn't count hours, it counts cycles. Every night, your sleep moves through 5 stages, each lasting about 90 minutes. Among these stages, deep sleep and REM sleep are where the magic happens. Deep sleep is your body's repair shop. Muscles regenerate, your immune system strengthens, and growth hormones surge. This is literally the time when your body heals from daily wear and tear. REM sleep, on the other hand, is where your brain recovers. It processes emotions, stores memories, boosts creativity, and sharpens focus for the next day. Now here's the interesting part. You could sleep just 6 hours, but if your deep and REM sleep cycles are solid, you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. Contrast that with 8 hours of broken sleep. Caffeine, stress, late-night screens, or even a noisy room can fragment your sleep cycles. Psychologists call this fragmented sleep. Your body rests, but your brain never fully recovers. You might wake up physically rested, but mentally foggy, unfocused and drained. To fix this, you need to optimize your cycles, not just extend time in bed. Simple habits like dimming lights an hour before sleep, avoiding stimulants late at night, and creating a consistent bedtime routine can dramatically improve deep and REM sleep. Even small tweaks like using blackout curtains, reducing phone use, or meditating before bed help your brain flow naturally through the cycles. Remember, it's not about being in bed longer. It's about maximizing the recovery your brain and body get in each cycle. Once you understand this, you'll see why some people wake up energized after 5 or 6 hours, while others struggle despite sleeping 8. Sleep smarter, and even shorter nights can feel like a full recharge. Next, let's talk about your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. This clock controls when you feel sleepy and alert, and it loves consistency. Irregular sleep schedules confuse your brain. You might think you're getting enough rest, but inconsistent timing can shorten your deep sleep, leaving you groggy in the morning. The first step to working with your body's natural rhythm is simple. Sleep and wake at the same time every day, including weekends. This trains your brain to release melatonin naturally, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Now, let's add the 90-minute rule. Your brain goes through roughly 90-minute sleep cycles. Waking up in the middle of a cycle creates sleep inertia, that heavy, groggy feeling you hate. But waking at the end of a cycle is like flipping a switch. Alertness comes naturally and mornings feel smooth. Plan your sleep in multiples of 90 minutes, 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hours, rather than random hours. Even adjusting by 30 to 60 minutes can transform your energy levels. Another key habit is the pre-sleep shutdown sequence. 3 hours before bed, avoid heavy meals. 2 hours before, stop tackling problems or stressful tasks. 1 hour before, ditch screens. Blue light tricks your brain into staying alert, blocking melatonin, which delays deep sleep. Instead, spend this last hour stretching, journaling, meditating, or listening to calm music. These activities tell your nervous system it's safe to rest. These habits combine like puzzle pieces. Consistent timing, proper wake-up planning, and signaling rest all improve cycle efficiency. Your body and brain start working together, not against each other, allowing shorter sleep to feel far more restorative. Follow these steps consistently, and mornings will no longer be a battle. You'll wake up feeling energized, clear-headed, and ready to own the day. Even the best night's sleep can be wasted if your mornings aren't optimized. The third secret is about morning habits that instantly boost your energy. Step 1. morning sunlight. Within the first 10 minutes of waking, step outside without touching your phone. Sunlight suppresses melatonin, activates serotonin, and naturally tells your brain it's time to wake up. Think of this as your body's built-in energy drink. It lasts all day without the crash. Step 2. Cold water or movement. Splash your face, do push-ups, jumping jacks, or even a short stretch routine. This stimulates dopamine and norepinephrine, chemicals that naturally increase alertness and shake off sleep inertia. Within a few minutes, your mind clears, your focus sharpens, and your body feels ready for action. Step 3. Mindset shift. Many people see sleep as a weakness, and that mentality is exhausting. Sleep is your brain's recovery mode. It's essential for focus, emotional stability, and decision-making. Respect it rather than fight it. People who consistently undervalue sleep often experience burnout, low productivity, and mood swings. Seeing sleep as a performance tool rather than laziness changes everything. Step 4. Combine these habits. Morning sunlight, movement, and the right mindset set the tone for your day. You'll notice your mental clarity, focus, and energy improve, even on shorter nights. By optimizing your wake-up routine, you allow your body to transition from sleep to alertness naturally. Finally, remember that consistency is key. These habits compound over days and weeks. Your brain adapts, energy levels stabilize, and productivity skyrockets. The mornings that used to feel impossible will become smooth, focused, and full of energy. The final chapter is about advanced hacks that maximize your sleep efficiency, small tweaks that make a massive difference. First, caffeine timing. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Even if you feel fine, it stays in your system 6 to 8 hours, reducing deep sleep by up to 30%. Even a late latte can sabotage a night of restorative sleep. Second, sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, dark and quiet. Darkness promotes melatonin production. A cooler room helps your body reach deep sleep faster, and silence, or soft white noise, reduces micro-awakenings. Third, support matters. Sleeping on a soft, sinking mattress or pillow can misalign your spine, creating subtle awakenings you don't even notice. A firm mattress, futon, or supportive pillow helps maintain posture, reduces pressure points, and allows your body to stay in deep sleep longer. Fourth, mental declutter. Write down racing thoughts or to-do lists before bed. Shifting your mind into alpha and theta brainwaves prepares you for deep sleep, letting your body fully recover. Finally, strategic 20-minute power naps. They boost memory, mood, and focus without grogginess. These short bursts of rest complement your nightly sleep and give your brain an extra recovery boost. Combine all these habits, environment, timing, posture, mental prep, and naps, and your sleep efficiency skyrockets. Less time in bed doesn't mean less recovery. It means smarter recovery. You wake up feeling refreshed, alert, and ready to dominate your day, even if you've only slept 6 hours. Sleep isn't about more hours, it's about smarter hours. Align your cycles, respect your rhythm, optimize your morning, and create the perfect environment. Start tonight and watch your energy, focus, and mood transform. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of feeling tired. Next week, we'll dive into how to feel awake all day without caffeine. Don't miss it.